Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see example 9.4. Let us see the question. A force of 5 Newton gives a mass m1 an acceleration 10 meter per second square. So here let us consider this value 5 Newton as force, and this is the mass, and this is acceleration denoted by small a, and a mass m2, this is the another mass, means the object, mass of another object we can say. An acceleration of 20 meter per second square, this is also acceleration. What acceleration would it give if both the masses, means m1 and m2, were tied together? Here, first of all, what we need to understand is this problem is based on Newton's second law of motion. So, for which the suitable formula is F is equal to m into a, mass into acceleration. Here you understand F is given only one time. Here m1, so in play here as it is given m1, let us consider this as a1. Here as it is m2, let us consider this as a2. Now again we need to find the acceleration. Let us consider the resultant acceleration as only a. So if these two masses are tied together means they are combined. So here the object of the combined mass of the combined object is m1 plus m2. Here the basic formula is F equal to ma. Here you do understand there are three cases. In this first case is F is equal to 5 Newton. F is equal to force is equal to 5 Newton. Also given mass, that is mass is equal to m1, and acceleration is given as, let us take acceleration as a1 is 10 meter per second square. It can also be written as 10 into 10 m into s power minus 2. So this is the case 1. And the second case is same force is again applied on an object whose mass is m2. Same force is applied. So here we can take F is equal to 5 Newton in that case also. And here in this case mass is m2. And in this case second acceleration is 20 meter per second square. Or we can write m into s power minus 2. Both are same. M into s power minus 2. And the third case is that here also same force is applied. So here F is equal to 5 Newton. And the mass is the combined mass, that is m1 plus m2. And the acceleration is to be found here. Is it clear? So there is an object on which we have applied the force 5 Newton. So it got 10 meter per second square acceleration. Second object, same force is applied, same 5 Newton. So it gets the acceleration of 20 meter per second square. When these two objects are combined, are tied together, so this is object 1, this is object 2, this is 1 plus 2. Again same force is applied on it. Now the question is that how much acceleration would be there in that case? So as I have told you, this is the basic formula, F equal to ma. This is the basic formula. Let us apply the same formula in all the three cases. Here you see F is known, A is known. What is unknown? M is unknown. Here M is nothing but M1. So directly I am writing F is equal to m into a means m1 into a is 10. So I am sending this 10 here this side. So m1 is equal to 5 by 10. In fact 5 Newton. Newton is kg meter per second square. So we can add s power minus 2. So meter per second square. So meter into s power minus 2. Here 10 is meter per second square. So m into s power minus 2. So here let us cancel these two. So that here 5 1s are 5 2s are. This is 1 by 2 kg. So mass of the first object is half kg, 1 by 2 kg. Similarly, let us find the mass of the second object. Same way, F is equal to, means 5 is equal to m into a. Here m is m2 into a is 20. Let us send 20 this side. So m2 will be 5 by 20. 5 1s are 5 4s are. So m2 is, again let us apply the same logic. So that m2 is 1 by 4 kg. So mass of the second object we get here it as 1 by 4 kg. First object is half kg. So this object is of half kg. This is 1/4 kg. Now here let us come back to the third case, where here m1 plus m2 is to be found. m1 is 1 by 2 and m2 is 1 by 4. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, when you take LCM, 4 will be the LCM. This is 2 2s are 4, so 2 1s are 2, 4 1s are 4, that 1 into 1 is 1. So finally 3 by 4 kg. This is the mass of the combined object. When here you see both the masses were tied together, that means both the masses were added, then the resultant mass is 3 by 4 kg. Now here let us apply the same formula again. F equal to, so 5 is equal to m into a. Here m is 3 by 4 into a. Let us write a because that is what we are asked to find. So in order to find a, let us write 5 as it is. When this 3 by 4 it is sent from that side to this side, it will be reciprocal. So it becomes 4 by 3. So 5 4s are 20, 20 by 3 on dividing. We get here 6.666 so on. So here let us round it up. Since the next number is 5 or more than 5, 6 is clearly more than 5. So 1 can be added, the previous digit can be raised by 1. Therefore A is equal to 6.67. What about the units? Here as you know, this is Newton and this is kg. Here the Newton is in kg per kg meter per second square. Here Newton is in, here I am writing, Newton is in kg meter per second square, right? And then here mass is in kg. So kg get cancelled. So the units of acceleration is meter per second square. It can also be written as m into s power minus 2, right? Therefore, let us conclude that the acceleration that it gives if both the masses were tied together is 6.67 meter per second square. With this example 9.4 gets completed. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.